What is up, guys? Today, it is the middle of February now, so it's still relatively cold outside, but we actually have something fun going on this evening at the Central Market here in Riga, Latvia, and they have a full hangar that has been vacant for like several months now, and they just have filled it with a bunch of food stands and making it into a cafeteria. And I'm not sure if today is the opening day, but there's a big event going on that there's going to be lots of vendors there and some DJs, so we are excited to try some yummy food, listen to some good music, and have a good time. So we will see you at the Central Market. Murphy, say hi. A lot of you have asked to see my beautiful dog, Murphy. Golden Retriever, turned 1 year old in September, and he is just so cute. Well, his dad's favorite soccer / football team just won, so they're both very, very happy right now. You're on camera, Murph. You're acting crazy. Murphy. Okay, I'll play with you. Hello friends, so it is actually 2 weeks later from the footage you just saw of us going to the, I believe it's pronounced Centrālais Central Market. So basically it is a cafeteria inside of the Central Market. I think it's about, I think I counted, I think there's 22 food stalls in that cafeteria. Ranging from American food to Asian food. There's a lot of Asian food like ramen and pho and sushi and all sorts of stuff like that. While I was there, it was the opening night and there was loud music and DJs and it was really, really awesome, but very crowded and very loud, so I did not talk on the vlog the whole time I was there. So I just want to tell you about the food that we got while we were there. We went to this place called Kiosk, I think that's the name of it, and they do pasta noodle dishes. So Dominic and I split a delicious, I think it was yakisoba, beef and noodles, and it was so good. I think the portions are good because if you want to go to different places and try different things or split different things with people that you're with, it's a good amount of food. Then I tried a raw vegan blueberry pie or cake or something like that. And it was made with blueberries and dates and cashews. And it was really, really good, not too sweet, but my teeth were completely stained with blueberries. It was pretty funny, but it was really good. And then we also tried a place called Tempura and we got fish and chips. I didn't get it on film. I don't know why, I must have been really hungry, but that's what we did. So, as you can see, that place looks really awesome, and like I said, it's been 2 weeks since we've been there, but we're going back there this time for lunch. And I'm hoping that the Georgian restaurant, food stall, whatever you want to call it, is open. So anyways, I don't want to just keep on rambling, but last week we also tried out another restaurant called Riga Ramen, and it is a ramen place. It was good, but it wasn't great. I would eat there again if I was invited to go, but I wouldn't go out of my way to go there again. I just thought it was okay. I think you can probably get better and cheaper ramen at the Central Market, so I don't know. But it looked good, the food looked good, tasted good, but I don't know, maybe I'm just not a ramen person. because I found it kind of difficult to eat. There's just so many ingredients and you're like slurping the soup, but trying not to choke on the vegetables and noodles and beef and everything in there. I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but I wasn't a huge fan of it. But anyways, it's snowing out. What's new? It's been beautiful and sunny here lately, but not today, unfortunately, on the weekend. But we're heading to the Central Market again, and hopefully I will be able to chat with you guys while I'm there. I'm gonna try and make an effort to do that and get some different foods on this vlog for you guys. So I will see you there. So I went with the Greek shawarma from Kabada, I believe. Looks tasty. Dominic got himself some pho. What's that? Spicy.
Yeah, it's like sriracha.
It looks good. Luckily, we were able to get a seat at the bar. It's pretty hard to find a seat here, but at least the service is really, really quick. Every place that we have gotten food here, and it's really cheap. Mine, gyro was, or pita, was about €4, and his spa is €5. Can't beat those prices. So we're just sitting at the bar, people watching, which this is an excellent place to go to if you just want to sit here all day, eat food, and just look at all the people walking around. I will say that the bar service is slow, but the food service is very, very fast and very cheap. My dish was €4, Dominic's was $5. So, and then even our wine and beer was about $7.50. So this is a great spot to come and even bring the whole family if you want to save some money, but try lots of different cuisine while you're here. And on top of that, you can go shopping and get some more food and goods while you're here at the Central Market.